Topic 1. Tesla has lost its position as the world's largest electric vehicle manufacturer due to declining sales for the second consecutive year. Tesla sold 1.64 million vehicles in 2025, marking a 9% decrease from the previous year, resulting in the loss of its title as the largest electric vehicle manufacturer. Chinese competitor BYD surpassed Tesla with sales of 2.26 million vehicles. Factors contributing to Tesla's sales decline include customer backlash against Elon Musk's political stance, increased competition abroad, and the end of U.S. tax incentives. The fourth quarter sales of 408,227 units fell short of expectations, impacted by the tax incentive expiration. Tesla is attempting to recover sales by launching a new low-cost model, while investors remain hopeful about Musk's plans for a robo-taxi service and the development of robots for home and office use. Topic 2. The U.S. has decided against imposing tariffs on Italian pasta, reducing duties for 13 producers, which may ease trade tensions. The U.S. has withdrawn its plan to impose tariffs on Italian pasta and decided to lower duties for 13 Italian pasta manufacturers. This move is seen as a measure to ease trade tensions. Initial investigations raised suspicions of unfair pricing for Italian pasta, but it appears that many concerns from Italian exporters have been addressed. Consequently, the tariff for La Maizena has been reduced to 2.26%, while Garofalo's tariff is now 13.98%, with the remaining 11 companies facing a 9.09% tariff. The final tariff rates are expected to be announced on March 12th, which is likely to contribute positively to the economic relationship between Italy and the U.S. Topic 3. In finance, Singapore's GDP growth exceeded expectations due to robust manufacturing, while oil prices stabilized after significant losses. Singapore's economy grew by 5.7% year-on-year in the fourth quarter, driven by strong manufacturing growth, surpassing the previous quarter's growth rate of 4.2%. This resulted in an annual GDP growth rate of 4.8%, exceeding the Ministry of Trade and Industry's forecast of around 4%. However, they warned that maintaining this growth momentum will be challenging. Meanwhile, oil prices stabilized on the first trading day of 2026, but 2025 recorded the largest annual losses since 2020 due to oversupply and tariff concerns. Brent and WTI crude oil experienced nearly 20% annual losses, marking the longest consecutive loss record for Brent. OPEC Plus is expected to halt production increases in the first quarter, while China's oil reserves may provide a floor for oil prices. Topic 4. The FTSE 100 has reached a historic milestone, breaking the 10,000 mark, signaling a strong performance for the UK market. The FTSE 100 index has surpassed the 10,000-point mark for the first time, showcasing strong performance in the UK market. The index rose by 21.5% over the past 12 months, reaching a record high of 10,046 points on the first trading day of 2026, building on the boom of 2025. The index includes 100 major listed companies in the UK, with firms like Rolls-Royce and Burberry leading the stock price increases. This milestone is seen as a sign of confidence in the UK economy, indicating that investors can generate returns not only in the US market, but also in the UK. The global market has surged over the past 12 months due to expectations of interest rate cuts, an AI boom, and economic support measures. The performance of the FTSE 100 proves that the UK market is not stagnant, sending positive signals to investors. Topic 5. In technology, Starlink plans to lower satellite orbits by 2026 to enhance safety, reflecting ongoing advancements in satellite technology. Starlink has announced plans to lower its satellite orbits from 550 kilometers to 480 kilometers by 2026 to improve the safety of satellite technology. This move reflects recent advancements in satellite technology, aiming to enhance space safety and reduce the risk of collisions by lowering the orbits. This decision follows an incident where one of Starlink's